I'm going to show you how to make a cologne today. I'm making one that's perfume that's for a guy, you know, so that's cologne. It's very easy to make. You have a little roller ball here. You can buy them at Amazon. Yeah, they come. It's the ones that I got. You can get various ones, you know. And today I'm using it with alcohol, which you can also get off the internet or in the grocery store even. Or you can use it with olive oil as your base, you know. You can use either one that you want. And today I'm going to be using, sorry if you can't see it, cedar wood, cinnamon leaf, and sandalwood. Now this is the one that I made earlier, right? And how I made it is I added each of the drops in, you know, just 4 or 5 of each. And I added the alcohol into this mixture that you see. It doesn't look like anything. It's all kind of mixy together. And then you take your pipette, like here, that you can get. And you pipe it, and then you simply put it in to your roller ball. And the great thing about these is that you can adjust, you know, the scent pretty easy. If you don't like how it smells, well, add a little something else, you know. See if you like that, you know. It's very easy to do. I enjoy making these. They're fast, they're easy. They're unique because you made it what it is. Nobody has this exact scent unless they copied you exactly. So I like it. Sorry about the cereal, you know. Anyways, that's how you make these. Hope you like this video and tune in for some more.